Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make barbatti and potato curry. This is called bhori also. This I am going to make into a curry. I hope you all will like it. So while making the curry, I will show you the ingredients. So come on, let us start the recipe. Friends, put some mustard oil. Let the mustard oil turn hot. As the oil is turned hot, this is kala jeera. This I am going to use in the curry. So first put this. I have cut up one onion. This also I will put in. Let the onions fry. Friends, this is onion and garlic paste. This I will put. Put some turmeric powder. Put some chili powder, put some dhania powder, put some jeera powder, put in the salt, friends. The masala is turned brown, it's gone nice and brown. Now I will put in the barbatti and potato. Mix the vegetable well with the masala. Friends, you can see the vegetable, the barbatti and potato frying with the masala. I have cut up 2 tomatoes. This I will put in. Put some water. Let the curry cook. Friends, the barbatti and potato curry is ready. I hope you all will like it. Thanks for watching my video.